Gusto haba mo tingnan.
Kaya hindi akong gumagalaw. Maganda yung ganitong temperature lang. Tayong tatlo picture tayo.
Siyempre, pag alis ng mga pana. Hello guys! It is currently, well actually, it is almost 1 in the morning. And we are currently here in Dubai Islands, Dera. And nakasama po namin si Bonsa! Tadan! And doon. Nagsisenti siya. Ay, picture kita dyan! Huwag ka niya. Ba yan? Pero maganda yung spot mo, babe. Yes, guys. So, for today, we just went for a grocery para kay Beb kasi medyo mahal nga yung mga bilihin sa Fujairah, which she's currently staying po. May accommodation siya doon. There. She is. Yeah. So, she's currently staying in Fujairah. Medyo mahal po yung mga bilihin. That's why, during her visit po sa Dubai, naisip namin na dito na lang siya bibili ng groceries niya and all the stuff. So, mas mura po dito. And, we're done for the grocery. Tapos na rin po kaming mag-dinner. And actually, we decided to drink coffee kasi manlilibre siya. Yay! It's her first salary po kasi. So, we told her na ilibre niya kami. Pero syempre, joke lang naman yun. We're just going for coffee. But then, it's too late now for a coffee. We actually decided earlier na mag-Starbucks kami, but then it's already late na nga po. So, yeah, so it's already late na nga po. That's why we're here. And then before, after nito, uuwi na kami. No, we're gonna buy, anong bibilihin natin?
Kamote.
Yeah, we're gonna buy kamote, toothpaste ni Beb.
Flakes.
Yeah, chili flakes. And then, yeah. So,
then we're gonna go home.
Wait lang, upo muna ako. Hindi naman madumi, no? Yeah, so we're just gonna go home after noon. Kasi, I think tomorrow in the afternoon, we will go to Fujairah. We're gonna send Beb there. Send her back. So yeah. That's the update for tonight. This morning. It's almost 1 in the morning. And you know what, guys? May napansin po ako. May napansin po ako dito sa lugar na to, guys. For me, this is more quiet. And I like the ambience, guys. Sobrang ganda po niya. And this is a public beach, by the way. You can use all the premises. May oras lang sila. Kasi earlier, we were sitting on the bench. Sinabihan lang kami ng guard na it wasn't allowed na nga daw po na to stay there. But then, we can still use the beach. So, yeah, this place is more amazing and more beautiful than Mamzar Beach. For me po, So, I like it more than Mamzar Beach. It's peaceful and mas marami po yung magandang spot na pwede nyong gamitin or pwede kayo magpa-picture, mag-videos. And then, yeah, the place is so quiet kasi nga gabi na. I'm not sure in the morning. Yes. Oh, guys, by the way, if you don't know, those who are staying here in Dubai, Mamzar Beach is currently closed. Kasi nanggaling na nga kami doon. So, we decided to tambay there. But then, yeah, we found out na close nga po yung Mamzar Beach. Kaya, we just tried to come here nag-search kami. And this is, by the way guys, this is my first time and it's so amazing po. Maganda po. So we decided to come back sa ibang araw, which is like maybe like afternoon time. So enable for us to swim na rin po. Kasi napakaganda po nung lugar niya. So yeah. So yes guys, this is the place. Natutulog lang si Mio there. Pagod na siya. I'm gonna drive home. I'm gonna drive back home. And then that's the beach area. Sobrang ganda po. There you go. Guys, they're going to buy Starbucks po. I mean coffee. Meron po pala dyan yung area na yan. Yan mismo. Meron pong coffee. A Starbucks. Yeah, so I'm gonna go there now. Tambay lang muna kami. Pagbigyan natin na makapang libre si Bunso. At makakapag-coffee na rin. Is it close? Oh, I see. Na ano pa? Na pendeho pa ang panlilibre ni Cynthia. No worries. There will always be next time. So that's fine guys. Bawi tomorrow.
Ganda dito, no?
Kasing ganda ko ba? Picture tayo.
Ikot tayo tatlo.
Picture guys sa akin.
Ikot tayo tatlo.
Ikot tayo. 1, 2, 3. Ayan na guys. Picture ko daw po siya, guys. Ganyan lang?
Kita yung ano?
Yes, of course. 1. Inayos niya pa talaga yung puno. 1, 2, 3, go. Isa pa. 1 more. Iba naman. Yan. Isa pa. Okay.
Payapa ay akin. Gagano na siya. Ayan pa rin siya sa damo na yun. Hindi pa rin siya nakaka-move on. Kahit ilang taon na siya nandito.
Kailangan daw mag-wish ka.
Ang buntot ng pusa.
Ba yan? Panira. 1, 2, 3, talon. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Yung mataas. 1, 2, 3. Si Beb naman hindi. Ayusin mo kasi Beb game. 1, 2, 3. Yung pataasan.
Ayoko na.
Pagod sila.
Sige naman siya. Sige naman siya.
Game. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Sige yan ako. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa.
Okay na.
May pagpindot pa tong mga to. Carpet ang sakyan nyo. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Game. Si Mio lang talaga. Si Mio lang talaga guys ang gusto magpatangkad. Guys, we're gonna go home now. It is currently 1 in the morning. And we're gonna go to Riga. Bibili kami ng konting stuff ng pang luto ng chili flakes. And then we're gonna go back home tomorrow morning. Maaga pa kami. So, yeah, we're gonna prepare going to Fujairah. Ibabalik na namin yung bunso namin So yes, I'll try to update you later po kung ma-update ko kayo. Okay. Thumbs up for Dubai Island po. Ang ganda.
Oh God, guys, this is my first time na makita na kataas yung bridge. Oh my God. Oh God. So, we need to... Ayan siya, guys. Ganun pala siya. Amazing. Yeah, so we need to go back again. Sa ibang way kami dadaan. Kasi nakataas yung bridge po.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Oy, another day, another vlog. Anyway, papunta kami ng Fujairah. Hi, Bunso. Hi, Beb.
Hi po.
Siya po yung driver namin ngayon. So, papunta
Medyo-
kami ng Fujairah at maghahatid na naman kami ng batang na malengke sa Dubai. At ang dami niyang uwi, guys. May sisig, may pastil, and may chili paste. Yan, every week yan ang mamalengke. So, ayun na nga. Pauwi na siya. Di ba, Bunso? Ah. Salita ka na.
Ano sasabihin ko? Sabihin mo yan, another day, another vlog!
Tapos na.
Sinabi mo na ba?
Oo. Ayun na nga, guys. See you later again.
See you later po. Guys, ang ganda po ng sunset.
Ganda
It's
na
just
sunset
behind
na.
us. Ayan po, ako na lang.
Ay.
Kung nakikita nyo. Ganda po.
Kita ba?
Guys, we're currently
Yan.
here at Fujairah nga po pala. I forgot to tell you. And, yeah, kung nandito lang po kayo guys, ang ganda po ng sunset.
Okay.
Update you later. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. It's easy.
Yay! Thank you!